Hello guys, this is a small video about the Aqua 3 PC case. Okay, as you can see, the case looks really pretty. Yeah, definitely looks good, and it has something's good, but not it's good at all. Remember, always you have to remember it costs just $59, so it's okay, it's normal. But if you see the glass, the tempered glass, it's good. It's good. It's not the best, but it's good. But the metal, bro, the metal is bad. It's like plastic. It's even this is plastic. Okay, this is plastic, but this is metal, but it doesn't feel good. And in the side, the bottom, it doesn't feel good. Okay, of course, when you have the PC case right here, you don't gonna touch it. It's okay, but meh. But it looks good. It looks good. It looks good. I installed a LED strip in the high, another one in the bottom, and it looks really good, really good. The temperatures, I have an i5, so it's okay for the i5 with this cooler master, and the graphic card is an RTX 3050, 6 GB, so it's not too hot, so I can't say anything. The processor is at 45 degrees and the graphic card is 55, 60 degrees, so I don't have anything to say about this. But the case is good for 59 bucks, but it's not the best. It's not the best, definitely. If you like it, okay. If you think it's a good choice, use buy. Buy. So it looks really good with Spider-Man. And hello guys, I'm sorry for my English is not the best, so I'm trying to improve it. So enjoy it.